This hike is tucked away in the Valley of Eastatoee in between creeks, rivers, and mountains. The waterfall is one of the hidden gems that not many people know about. You turn off the Cleo Chapman highway into Waterfalls Road. The road seems like a driveway to someone's house, but surely you'll see signs for the waterfall. Today we're hiking one of my favorite waterfalls. Growing up in Eastatoee, we used to come here a lot. My neighbors and I, we used to just bike down here. We live about 3 or 4 miles from here. So yeah, one reason it's very popular is because it's super easy access. It's only half a mile, and the 2 falls, one of them is 75-foot waterfall, and sometimes it might be a triple falls whenever we get a lot of rain. I'm gonna try to cross this. Hopefully I don't bust my butt. I'm trying to get some nice picture of the river. We just had a cold front the last few days, and it's been like maybe in the low 40s, so it's been really cold. And today the weather is like in the 60s. So usually this trail is fairly empty. So today, I guess because the weather's so nice, a lot of people are getting out and enjoying the sun. So a little history about Twin Falls. It used to be owned by the Hengels family, and then now the Nature Preserve owns 25 acres of the property. And when we were younger, this used to be a very popular swimming hole. We used to come here, swim here a lot. They built this nice little lookout. Yeah, that's really nice. But I'm gonna try to go up to the bottom of the falls. I might even try to go up to the top of it. Man, this place never fails. Every time I come here, it's always amazing. And the waterfall is really crazy when we get like large amount of rain. It's almost like a triple falls. Here's the one fall, and then here's the other fall. So this is about 75 feet waterfall. I'm gonna try to climb up to the top of the fall. So I'm gonna go here, and then go inside the waterfall, and climb up to the top. Trying to go up to the top of the waterfalls. It is very steep. It is not slippery, but it's just very steep. All right. I just climbed all the way up. Almost there. I'm breathing pretty heavy. That was a steep climb. The rocks are very slippery, so I have to be really careful. So I think I'm gonna try to go all the way up. top of the waterfall. Ooh. Pretty high. I don't want to get too close to the edge. So, out of all the time I visit here, I've actually never been to the top of the waterfalls before. This is my first time. Yeah, definitely didn't want to get too close to the edge. It's a long way down. So there are two entrances to come to this waterfall. There's one that will lead you from that way, come all the way to here, to the top of the waterfall. I've never been on that trail, but I believe it's about 2 miles round trip. And then the second way is where I came in. It's only half a mile hike. Back down safe and sound. I was a little worried coming down the waterfall because it is very steep. But I didn't bust my butt, so that's good. And yeah, if you guys have never been to Twin Falls, I will highly recommend this hike. It's very easy, only half a mile with a beautiful view. And yeah, also if you guys enjoy this kind of content, I ask you to hit that subscribe button, because I'm gonna make more videos like this, more informative about different hikes near me. And yeah, maybe that'll inspire you guys or encourage you guys to get outdoors and get a hike in. So I'll see you guys in the next video.